Hello, and welcome to this quick asset deployment tutorial. I'll show you how to deploy the agent on your Mac machine using a terminal command. First, we'll copy the one-liner. Next, we'll open Terminal, paste the command, and run it. Voila! Now let's verify the asset was added on the dashboard. We'll go to the Assets page and search for the specific asset. You will see the newly deployed machine fully analyzed with all the applications and CVEs. We'll go through some advanced settings now. Let's say you want to add a proxy server. Click here and fill in the IP and port. Click Add to Command. You will see here it was added to the terminal command. You can also add an endpoint tag to help organize machines in specific ways. We can leverage this in other parts of the platform when we want to create groups of machines. If we have a set of machines that we deploy using the tag of New York desktops, then we can use this tag to group them all together. Okay, now click Add to Command. You can see it was added to the terminal command. If you want to add additional commands, click the plus button. If you want to deploy the agent on multiple machines, you can either use our Tool vDeployer, or if you already have an existing deployment tool, you can use our MSI package. Please go to our support center for more information. Happy deploying!